Hey there, ever wondered exactly how much time and money your team could save and how much more revenue you could make by using PIM? Stick with me because by the end of this video, we're not only going to crunch some eye-opening numbers, but together we'll also show you something that most PIM vendors won't tell you. Let's dive in. All right, welcome to the Bluestone PIM ROI Calculator. This tool helps you estimate your potential revenue growth, cost savings, and efficiency gains with our AI-powered PIM solution. Let's break it down. First, time spent on manual work. Say you're onboarding 10,000 products. Each product has 50 attributes. Updating each one takes around 30 seconds, with an hourly rate of $30. And now factor in that you need to have this data in 5 languages and synced across 10 sales channels. That adds up to around 25 million manual updates. That's over 20,000 hours of work, which could equate to more than $624,000 just to keep product data current. Crazy, right? Now here's the fun part, the savings. If you're currently relying on manual processes or outdated systems, Bluestone PIM can make a huge difference. Let's pick the multi-purpose or generic centralization setup. That alone boosts efficiency by about 40%. You'd save over 8,300 hours and $250,000 in manual labor. But we're not stopping at savings. Bluestone PIM doesn't just cut costs, it helps you sell more faster. Imagine launching 1,000 products 50 days earlier than before. If you sell 100 units a day at $10 each, that's an additional $20 million in revenue. So far, that's a combined impact of over $20 million. Oh, perfect timing.
Hey, you forgot to mention the AI savings.
Want to tell them?
Absolutely. What most people don't realize is that Bluestone PIM comes with built-in AI tools at no extra cost. With AI in Reach, you can automatically generate product descriptions and attributes in multiple languages tailored to your audience. And with AI Linguist, translations become instant, accurate, and market-ready. Let me show you how much more you could save. For content creation alone, descriptions, attributes, translations, companies easily spend more than $200,000. With Bluestone PIM's AI features, that drops to just a few $100s.
And here's the best part. Unlike many of the PIM providers, we don't charge extra for these modules or AI access. No hidden fees.
So when you add it all up, less manual work, faster launches, smarter content creation, and effortless translations.
That's more than $20 million in potential impact. Now it's your turn. Curious what those numbers could look like in your business? Try the Bluestone PIM ROI Calculator. It only takes a few minutes, and it might give you a whole new perspective.